Welcome to San Diego State University's 5th Annual Women in Leadership Conference.
The goal today is for all of the students to engage with these panelists.
You fail and you learn from it and you just get better. Failures help you get better.
I've been able to find some mentors through the years, and I feel like that's sort of what has led me down this road.
Each experience that you have will help you discover what it is that does motivate and inspire you, and then take that knowledge with you throughout your career path.
Network, share your experiences, meet new people, go outside of yourself.
Having a place at the table physically is really important.
And what would you say to the next generation of women looking to follow in your footsteps?
The most important thing is know your why. I think it's important with whatever it is that you're doing that you find passion in what you're doing, because that's going to give you this internal motivation that you can't get from the external things.
I really needed to figure out what I was going to do that was going to make me happy long term.
So glad you answered that way. I think that so many students think that after you graduate, you have your career and it's linear, and it certainly isn't.
No one knows what you want unless you communicate and let them know what you want. No one knows what you want in your career when you get hired to a job unless you can articulate, hey, this is the next step for my career path, or I'd like to get here and need some insight, right? Communication.
Success can't really be success without failure.
Don't race to be the first. Race to make sure there is a first.